So today we're gonna be doing. Say it, honey.
Well, today we're gonna make a recipe, something different. We're gonna cook because I love to eat.
Me too. I like to eat his food.
Oh.
So what are the things we're gonna be making today, honey?
Today we're gonna make some kind of Haitian food and some of your famous desserts. And
so stay tuned for part 2 because we're gonna be diving into some Canadian desserts after. So he's gonna be the main course, and then I'm gonna be the dessert because you know I'm always the dessert.
I know.
You didn't catch that.
I know you don't want me to talk a lot here, but let me say that I'm not someone who likes dessert so much. But recently, Kara, I've been doing some desserts here, and I have to admit it, I love them. Maybe I could become a dessert person.
I know, right? Ooh, finally, because it's been a while. He's been saying, "Oh, I'm not the dessert person," and I'm like, "But I like to make desserts."
Yeah, I think I like homemade desserts.
Yeah, me too. So today we're gonna be making, because that's tomorrow, but today we're gonna be making Haitian, kind of like a little twist to Haitian food. So we're gonna be making Pikliz,
Yeah.
which I'm obsessed with and I want to eat every day of my life.
We've been eating clean recently, but I want to make something different. I want to vary a little bit and make it a little spicy for us, you know?
He's been making some great spicy sauce.
Oh, yeah.
He makes some of the best sauce, so we're going to add that on.
I'm feeling like a Mexican.
I know, a little bit. Ooh, spicy. So we're going to make Pikliz. We're going to make plantain the right way, the Haitian way.
Yeah.
And then also we're going to be making
fried
some
meat.
fried meats.
Yeah.
So we're going to get started. Later on we'll go and deep dive into some other Haitian foods. But today this is what we're going to be doing. So without further ado, let's get to our intro. And let's get right into it. So we're going to be going to the grocery store first to pick up some items, and then we're going to get right into the ingredients. So we're going to show all the ingredients to you, and then we're going to cook it up. Yeah. Also follow our Instagram, Frederick.P. and Kara Laurel Kate. Let's get started. Forgot the umbrella, so you know I gotta make my husband go get it. I want to wreck my hair. Where is he? Is he coming? He's coming. Say hi. I made him go get the umbrella. I love you, honey.
Hi. I'm shy.
Oh yeah. Look at this nice haircut. Well, still it's faded, but it's better than it was. Thank you, honey. Got my umbrella because it's raining. Here, can you hold this, honey? Ah. The only reason why I have these sunglasses on is because they're kind of like a headband at this point. So we're heading in.
You can see where you're at.
Yeah, I can't see. And yeah, I just hate having my hair on my face. Hey, honey bunny. So let's get in. Let's get it. Can I get your cabbage, babe? Pick what one? Is that a good one, honey?
Yeah, all good.
How does it feel?
Like a
That's how you know. When you knock it?
you can see it.
Do we need a cart, honey?
A what?
A cart?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, we picked up the good goods. So now we're off. Rowdy. I'm so excited for this food, aren't you, honey?
Yeah. I
Okay.
will have some fries. These things are wide.
I know. So we'll be back when we get back home.
We're back.
Back! So now we're going to explain to you, well, he's going to explain to you all the different things that are going to go into the pikliz. So
Okay.
let's go.
Let's start with the pikliz. For the pikliz, we need carrots and cabbage. These two things are the main ingredients to make a good pikliz. I got half of this beautiful cabbage and red
Red pepper.
pepper.
So how much would you say you do a full carrot, a full, what, 2 carrots?
Depends for
How much you're making.
Yeah, exactly. Half of this would be enough. Onion, 1 onion, and the red, whatever you want. And
For the sauce.
for the sauce, we use 1 lemon. When you squeeze it, you add a little bit of pepper, a little bit of any seasoning powder you use, garlic powder, a little bit of this bad boy. This
We made that.
I made this. This is spicy. Like you imagine.
And it tastes so good. Imagine on wings.
What we do in Haiti, we use the pepper, we chop it like very tiny, and you put it in the sauce, and after you pour it on the cabbage and the other ingredients. But some people doesn't like to chew the pieces of this.
The seeds?
Wow,
Or just in general?
exactly.
Yeah.
You don't want to waste such spicy. You don't want to chew it, and that's why I choose to blend this with some pepper and salt and lemon.
And what else is in there? There's jalapeno.
No, this one is just pepper.
Just hot pepper?
Yeah.
What type of hot pepper?
The spicy one.
What color is it?
They're red.
They're red and they're kind of like,
They are like this.
what are they called? Maybe we'll put it on the screen what it's called because I can't. We just call it hot pepper.
Okay. I'm gonna put some picture where you guys
Yeah,
can see
we'll put
it.
a picture.
Exactly. That
So you put lemon, salt, this hot
brown
sauce,
brown pepper
brown pepper,
is red pepper.
and then the onion is for the flavor, and any other seasoning goes on it.
That's all you need.
Okay.
Mix it up
Now
very
we're
well.
going to make, and now the next thing we're going to make are the plantains. So walk them through how you do it.
Okay.
He does it perfect.
This is easy.
It's easy, but it's the way it needs to be done.
This is plantain. Green plantain.
And how do you cut it?
I'm gonna show you.
You're gonna show us.
And what you do first, you peel it and you put it in water with
cut it
salt.
out?
You cut it out. We cut it up very
Like 1 inch.
like very slim, and you put it in water and salt for 10 minutes until the salt really get into it. Then you fry it.
Some people put lemon in the water.
Yeah, you can put lemon in the water if you want.
I don't like it. I like just the salt.
It's not necessary.
Just for me, I like the salt.
It's not unnecessary.
Or people use garlic, and he's done garlic, but I prefer just the basic salt and water.
Yeah.
Personally, because I'm an expert. My taste buds are just, they know what's up. I'm sorry.
Okay. Well, easy like this. Let's get into
And
it.
then we're gonna also cook up the salty meat, but we're gonna show you how to do that.
Yeah.
And what all goes into this. It's an easy meal, but it's so
The
good.
salty meat part is a very complicated part. If I had to do it the way we do it in Haiti, but we don't have to buy all these ingredients.
So maybe
It's a lot
we'll
of
leave
work.
we'll leave how to do it below, the salty meat. So we're not gonna show you how to do that, but he'll leave a recipe down below of how they would make it in Haiti.
This is what
so
we
you
call in
guys
Haiti
follow.
Creole. Haitian loves Creole, and everybody who try it loves
So good.
it. Yeah. So
Let's get into it. Woo, I'm excited. Put this clear coat over, and it makes it strong. And is that all the vegetables?
Mm-hmm.
That's all the vegetables?
Yeah.
Yummy! Mix it up. Yum.
Smell good.
Mm. I'm gonna try this yummy salad. My favorite salads. So good. I'm excited for the food tonight. About an inch sections, and he's just flattening it pretty flat. And he already deep fried it once, and then he's gonna go and deep fry these again. So that's how you make plantain crispy. See, this is what they look like when they come out. I'm excited for the food tonight. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Sing it. I'm excited for the food tonight. And voila. We have the meat. We have the beautiful. And then we have the pikliz. Ooh. I'm sorry, but this, my dear, looks good. Hey, okay, that is it for the video, guys. We're gonna cheers on this. Ooh, she good. And we're gonna say bye because we're gonna chow down on this food. I'm hungry, so let's get it. Bye, guys. Subscribe.